bringing the feeling of floating clouds and flowing water in a brand new urban landscape. Microwave radar system offers a perfect day journey whenever we drive or stop the car. Lane change would be a moment of high risk for accident. A collision with vehicle from both rear sides can happen. Lane change assist function can assist to avoid accident caused by lane change. Installed at the rear side of the car, microwave radar system detects the vehicle approaching close to or into the blind spot area and calculates the relative speed when the vehicle comes into the detection range at a high speed. LED light flashes at a low relative speed and beeping sounds when the turning signals is engaged. Rear collision warning function works and gives alerts when there is a vehicle approaching at a high speed from the back. Door open warning function assists getting off safely with real-time monitoring of moving objects approaching from the both rear sides and giving warnings when a driver or passenger opens door without notice to the approaching vehicle from the back. Rear cross-traffic alert function assists the driver to detect the moving objects located in the blind spot area at both rear sides and warns the driver of haste reversing and assists to avoid a collision with the vehicle approaching from left or right side behind. Microwave radar can also be used in large vehicles with high accuracy to identify the distance of obstacle and multi-level audio and visual alerts for parking assist. With these 6 functions: lane change assist, blind spot detection, rear collision warning, door open warning, rear cross traffic alert, and long-range parking assist,